Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel sambar, which you can make it at home very easily. So let's start the recipe. So for the hotel sambar, what you need, here I have some drumstick and here I have the baby onion, that is the shallots. So these two things are must for the hotel sambar. So let's start the recipe. Take a vessel. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. So after adding 2 tablespoons of oil, here I am adding the mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds he started sputtering, we have to add this drumstick and the onion. And after adding the drumstick and the onion, here I am adding the hing powder, which gives a nice taste in this hotel sambar. And we have to fry this one for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, here I added the tomato paste. If you have a fresh tomatoes, you can add that one. But today I don't have the fresh tomatoes. So I added the tomato puree. So I added 2 tablespoons of tomato puree in this hotel sambar. It gives a nice color also. And in this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So here I have the turmeric powder. So here I'm adding some turmeric powder and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So here I added the red chili powder and it's time to add the water. So here I took 2 glasses of water. So we have to cover this onion and the drumstick, the water. And I'm going to cover this one with it, going to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. In the meanwhile, I will do the masala for the hotel sambar. So for the masala, what we need, I took small kadai and I added 1 teaspoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add some coriander seeds. So here I added 1 teaspoon of chana dal and here I have some red chilies. So we have to fry all these things together and in the last we have to add the fresh coconut. So this is the masala for the hotel sambar. So take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. In that I have added 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 to 2 tablespoon of chana dal and 7 to 8 red chilies, and in the last I am going to add the coconut. So this is the masala for the hotel sambar. And we have to fry all these ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light brown in color. So here I added the fresh coconut. If you don't have the fresh coconut, you can add the desiccated coconut. So yeah. So the masala is ready for the hotel sambar, and when it becomes cool down, I'm going to grind this one as a smooth paste, nice aroma. So the masala is ready guys, and I added that masala in the sambar. So we have to grind that paste as a very smooth paste by adding water. So yeah, so it should be in this consistency. So after adding the masala, we have to cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we have to add the cooked tuvar dal, and the hotel sambar is ready guys. So here I have a cooked tuvar dal and I'm going to add this one into this sambar. So, yeah. So after adding the cooked tuvar dal, we have to cook this sambar for 5 minutes in a medium flame, and my sambar is ready. And in the end, we have to add little bit of ghee, which gives a nice taste and aroma in the sambar. And in the end, I have added lot of coriander leaves which is from my garden, which gives a nice aroma in the hotel sambar, guys. So yeah, the hotel sambar is ready to serve. So in the end, I will show you what I'm going to have for my lunch. So yeah, stay tuned. So the hotel sambar is ready and I put it in the plate. So yeah, so here I added the rice, sambar and the snake guard sabji. So this is a quick video of how to make a hotel sambar at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. Thanks for watching. Bye.